So for today's video, I wanna do another buy or cry series. For today's video, I'm doing the Smoky palette by ZOEVA. It's really beautiful and it has so much matte. Like you probably already know, I love matte eyeshadow. Like I'm obsessed with matte eyeshadow. So if you want to know first impression, wear test and review for this palette, keep on watching. But first, swatches. Okay, welcome to the first impression. Let me zoom you in. Okay, before we get into the eyeshadow palette, I wanna take this next eyeshadow base first and prime my eyelid. Okay, so now just quickly set the eyeshadow base with the powder. Okay, now let's get into the palette. It comes with this and the palette, so yeah, it's just basic every ZOEVA palette. Okay, so now I wanna take this Dust and Memories shade. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, this is my favorite shade. As soon as I open this palette, this eyeshadow is so beautiful. Like this shade is so beautiful. So I'm just gonna take this all over my crease as my transition color. Like always, like every ZOEVA palette, it doesn't have a mirror. So pigmented. Oh my god, it's darker than I thought. Holy shit, it's so dark. It's so dark for transition color. So I'm just gonna blending it all out, but it blends so easy. Oh my god, I love this shade. Like it's so beautiful. My favorite color is Dusty Rose, pink that has a little bit of brown. Okay, now I wanna take the shade Smoky Wishes and just put it on the outer corner and to the crease as well, darkening up the transition color. It blends so easy. Blendability of this eyeshadow is so easy. Have you ever found that eyeshadow is like so hard to blend? I have. And this eyeshadow is just blending like a dream. Okay, now I wanna take a little bit darker shade. I wanna take this Elegant Chaos, this purple, and just put it on the outer corner. It's so beautiful. I keep forgetting that this eyeshadow is hella pigmented. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blending it all out again. It's pretty cool tone, so I don't mind it. I don't know if I wanna keep it matte or I wanna have a little bit shimmer. I think I wanna do a shimmer. So I'm just gonna take this shade called Searching, put it all over my eyelid. This shade is a little bit not pigmented. I love the matte shade, but the metallic shade, I mean, if you can build up the metallic shade, it's really pretty, but it's not. But if you're patient and just build up the color, it's really pretty. But if you don't have time and in a rush and you just want to get it done fast, this will make you mad. Okay, for the eyeliner, I think I want to use this black shade from this palette because I want to test the black shade as an eyeliner. So yeah, I want to make wing eyeliner. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean the edge. Now I'm just gonna take the Body Shop ID Finer on the shade black. Just put it on my tight line. Okay, so now I'm just gonna curl my lashes and put some mascara. Okay, now I wanna take the shade called Relief the Moon and just put it on my brow bone as a highlight. Okay, so now I'm just gonna finish my face and I will be right back. So now I'm just gonna quickly finish my lower lash line. I'm gonna take the shade called Sleep to Dream, this one, and just put it all over my lower lash line. So now I'm just gonna take the shade Smoky Wishes again and just put it along the lower lash line but using more precise brush. And I'm just gonna put the same eyeliner on my waterline and put some mascara on my lower lashes. Because it doesn't have light shimmery shade, I'm just gonna take makeup palette. I'm taking the shade Sin and just put it on my inner corner. Okay, so now I'm just gonna fix my hair and I will be right back. Okay, before we get into the wear test, I'm just gonna review a little bit for this palette. Overall, I love this palette, but the shimmer shade that I use for today's video is not impressive, if you know what I mean. It's a little bit harder, and if you're in a rush and you just wanna get it done, you will not get it done fast with the shimmer. That's basically my only complaint. And I love the black shade, it's really great. I mean, I don't know how it lasts. So yeah, the matte shade is really good and blendability is just really great. So I like the matte shade. So yeah, I think that is it. Let's get into the wear test. So it is now 11 a.m. so see you in the next few hours. Everyone, so now it is 7 p.m. so it's been 8.5 hours. So I'm just gonna update this, the last update by the way. As you can see, the eyeshadow is still pretty good. It's still in the place. It's still perfect. And the eyeliner is a little bit fading, but not as much. I'm impressed, and the color is, it doesn't get muddy throughout the day, if you know me. I really like this eyeshadow so much. So the conclusion is I will give this palette probably 7.5 out of 10 because it doesn't have a mirror first of all, and the shimmery shade that I used is a little bit hard to put on. So yeah, so buy or cry. Buy for me because it's not that expensive, but the matte shade is pretty good. Like, it's really buttery and just so easy to blend. So yeah, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe me. I make video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you in the next video.